one morning, and suddenly, all forms of currency and money have vanished. Coins, paper bills, digital transactions, all gone. What would this world look like, and how would it function? Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating concept. What if there is no money system? Imagine a world without the currency we're so accustomed to. Would it be chaos, utopia, or something in between? Let's dive in. Money is the lifeblood of our society, facilitating trade, value exchange, and economic growth. Money as we know it comes in various forms, from physical cash to digital transactions. It's a medium of exchange, a store of value, and a unit of account. But what if we reconsider this system? All right, here's the fun part. What if, one day, the entire money system vanished? No more dollars, euros, or yen. No banknotes, no credit cards. How would our world function? In a world without money, the way we exchange goods and services would undergo a radical transformation. Let's explore some possibilities. One possibility is a return to the barter system. People would directly exchange goods and services without the need for a common currency. While this system might work for simple exchanges, it can become complex and inefficient as economies grow. How would we value things without money? To address the challenges, alternative systems might emerge. Some suggest a resource-based economy, where access to resources is based on need rather than money. Others propose digital or blockchain-based systems to track and reward contributions to society. These could eliminate the need for traditional money. The absence of a money system would have profound social and cultural implications. How would work, status, and social hierarchies change? It's fascinating to think about how our values and priorities might shift in a world where money doesn't dictate our choices. You might exchange a loaf of bread for a dozen eggs or your carpentry skills for some fresh produce. It's a return to a more primitive form of trade, but it could work. In a world without money, the concept of value would take on a new meaning. Items like food, water, and shelter would be highly valued, while things like luxury goods or entertainment might lose their importance. But humans are inventive creatures. Without money, we might develop new forms of currency. Imagine a system where reputation or trustworthiness becomes your currency. The more reliable and helpful you are, the more currency you have in society. Resource management would become crucial. Communities might pool resources and create systems to ensure fair distribution. It could lead to more sustainable living and a stronger sense of community. Without money, our motivations for work would also change. People might choose careers based on their passions and interests rather than the pursuit of wealth. This shift could lead to a more fulfilled and content society. Of course, a world without money wouldn't be without its challenges. How do we incentivize innovation? How do we address disparities in skill and effort? These are questions that would need creative solutions. So, what if there is no money system? While it's a complex and speculative question, it encourages us to reevaluate our priorities, values, and the way we organize our society. As we conclude this exploration, I encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think a world without money would be like? Don't forget to like and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Thanks for joining us today on Friday Reddit. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep imagining. See you soon.